Okay, as you can see, this was 190 proof or 95% alcohol. So this baby does the job. So I've already poured some into here that I think will actually work. Maybe I might top it off just a little bit more, just to make sure. Because with this being 95, let's just say if it were 100%. Well then, 100%, if you had it right in the middle, anything you would add up from the middle then dilutes this to 50%. So you'd have to have the alcohol level at least up about, to be safe, maybe 3/4 of a way, to keep it at the 70-60% area. So you just go ahead and pour some more in there. And I will tell you, you smokers, don't do this. This is extremely flammable. Don't do this. If you're smoking or any flames, or if you're being romantic along the fireplace, for Christ's sake, don't do this in that area. All right, you can see about that level. Maybe a pinch more. How about it? You want it to be right, because if you don't do it right, you're the one that's going to be cheated at the end. And like I said, this is really a mobile way. Wash your hands instead, like the news tells you. Wash your hands. That's the best way. Everclear, I'm not going to mention a brand name because I don't care about the brand name. All I care about is that it's 95% alcohol. I'm so nervous that I might set the place on fire. I better drink. And the stuff don't taste that bad either. Yeah. All right, now for the gel. This is a convenient pour. It's got a little tiny spout, where unlike some of the bottles, it has an open pour and it's a goo and it gets all over everything. This has got the little hole in the middle, so you just pay attention and start pouring it in, just like that. And the reason, as I said, this stuff is so strong that if you keep using it repetitively, thank you, you will burn your hands, and it'll start giving you rashes and maybe even blistering and all of that. Okay, now I'm going to secure this and wipe this down again. It might work best if you leave a little room in there to shake it up. But give it a good shaking. Keep wiping it down. And then unscrew the lid like you would any other time. And there it is. Rub that baby all over you just like that. Perfect. Perfect. And so is this. That's how you do it. Bye for now.